You're not getting it. These people will kill you. They don't give a shit who your parents are either.
Well, we have that in common.
I'm serious.
And I'm waiting for my lawyer. She coming? What, you think you're the only friend I've got? That speech, come on, baby, you could do better than that.
I'm impressed, McAdoo. Made it all the way out here without your mom breastfeeding your ass.
Give me a fucking break.
Man, stop bitching, it's a compliment. Listen, now that you're all grown up, just keep standing watch and look out your specs.
You're beginning to sound like my mother. You know what?
What?
Let's play game.
You don't have to talk to me. Makes my job easier. But when your stomach is cut open and you're staring at your own intestines, remember that I tried to help you, jackass.
You know of any good strip clubs in the area? I could really use some if you know what I mean.
I give you 48 hours.
Well, I guess